By training on this kind of data, AI can start to develop a deeper understanding of how our world works.
I can see how that would be a game changer for things like robotics.
Absolutely. Imagine robots that can learn by watching humans, or factories that can optimize their processes by simulating different scenarios in a virtual world that behaves just like the real one.
So it's like they're creating a virtual sandbox where AI can experiment and learn without any real-world consequences.
That's a great way to put it. And Jensen actually talked about combining Cosmos with NVIDIA Omniverse, their platform for creating digital twins, to create what he called a multiverse simulator. It's like they're building an entire virtual universe for AI to play in.
That's incredible. It sounds like this technology has the potential to revolutionize a lot of industries.
It does. And Jensen gave some really interesting examples of how this is already happening. One area he highlighted was industrial digitalization, specifically smarter factories and optimized warehouses.
So how is AI being used to make factories and warehouses smarter?
They're partnering with companies like Keynote, a leader in warehouse automation, and Accenture, a global professional services company, to build digital twins of warehouses using NVIDIA Mega.
Hold on. We've covered a lot of names today. Remind me, what's NVIDIA Mega?
It's essentially a blueprint within Omniverse, a pre-built environment that lets companies easily create digital twins of their spaces. So with NVIDIA Mega, they can create a virtual replica of the warehouse, down to the robots moving around and packages being sorted.
Okay, I'm picturing it now. So they have this virtual copy of the warehouse. What do they do with it?
Here's the beauty of it. They can test and optimize everything in the virtual world before they deploy it in the real one. They can experiment with different layouts, robot configurations, and workflows to find the most efficient and effective solution.
It's like a giant AI-powered puzzle, and they're constantly searching for the perfect fit.
Exactly. And this not only saves time and money, but also minimizes disruptions to the real-world operation. You can even train the AI agents in the virtual warehouse, so they're ready to hit the ground running when they're deployed in the real one.
That makes a lot of sense. It's like giving the AI a chance to practice and learn in a safe environment before going out into the real world.
Precisely. And this approach isn't just limited to factories and warehouses. One of the biggest areas where we're seeing this technology transform things is in the automotive industry.
Of course. We can't talk about the future without mentioning self-driving cars.
Right. Jensen actually declared that the AV revolution is here.
Yeah.
And he's got a point. We're seeing self-driving cars becoming a reality on our roads, and AI is a major driving force behind it.
And NVIDIA is right in the thick of it, working with pretty much every major car company out there.
They are. Names like Tesla, BYD, Jaguar Land Rover, Mercedes, and they just announced a new partnership with Toyota to develop next-generation autonomous vehicles.